everyone. I decided to do something a little bit different today. You might like this one. That there is a vintage, made in USA, Craftsman 20-inch mulching power mower. Yep. A Sears Craftsman lawnmower in new old stock condition, still in the box, never used. And well, I tried selling it as is, and all I kept getting asked is, well, does it even still run? Why are you selling it? Why didn't you put it together? Well, it's a good question. Figured somebody would want a brand new vintage lawnmower new in the box. I guess I was wrong. You know, I get our dumb questions. So we're gonna throw it together today and answer one of those questions. Will it still run? So let's get at it. Well, this is what we're working with today. My best guess is that this is from around 1990. And there are a couple ways you can tell an exact date, and I'll tell you that in a second. There's nothing on the box that says when it was made. Yeah, that is a brand new vintage lawnmower. Amazing, simply amazing. This was made during a time when gas cans were great. Yeah, I said it. Gas cans used to be great. Now they suck. Another thing, this was made when planned obsolescence was just starting to come into play. And if you don't know what planned obsolescence is, look it up. It might terrify you. You see, there was a reason why appliances and small engines, yard equipment, etc. would last literal decades. Like your grandmother still has her original refrigerator she bought in 1960 and it's still working. Well, there's a reason for it, and that reason is planned obsolescence. You see, there was a time when manufacturers actually built things to last, and it was not uncommon to get literal decades of use out of appliances and yard equipment and even vehicles. Now it's kind of the opposite. You'd be lucky to get a decade of use out of said item, and now they cost more. Yeah, that's the other part of it, and that is all thanks to planned obsolescence. You see, manufacturers figured it out. If they could build things to last, nobody's going to be replacing the stuff every 5-10 years. But if they can build the stuff so that they need to replace it every 5-10 years or less, then they'll make more money. And that's sadly, that's all it comes down to. I had this up for I think $300 on Marketplace, and I could not believe I did not sell it. I had like one person ask if they can come look at it, and they never showed up. But I mean, $300 for a made in USA lawnmower, and that's too much. I don't know, living in the wrong time period, I guess. So I'm gonna put it together, and I'll probably end up using it myself for trimming underneath bushes and stuff. So let's see what it comes with. It comes with the owner's manual. Engine's all wrapped in plastic, and it doesn't have a bag. Look, a nice simple lawnmower. Got the oil. All right, well, let me get this thing out of here. There you have it. Look at it in all its glory, all its made in USA wonderfulness. Look at that. Some things were made to last. See, nowadays you buy a lawnmower, push mower, basic push mower like this, it's probably going to cost you still $300, and you'd be lucky to get a few seasons out of it. And then you go to get it repaired, and they're going to tell you, well, it's not worth fixing. You might as well just buy another one. And that's what they want you to do. This one is actually built in a time where things could be repaired. Oh, that off of there. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that thing. Look at that. Man, it's a mulcher. Oh, Might end up keeping this one after all. Well, let me throw it together. So I remember one of my buddies had one of these growing up. That was probably a good 15 years old when he got it. It lasted him another at least 10 years. So he got, him and his grandfather, that's who he got it from, his grandfather. They got about 20-25 years of service out of it. And sadly, you really can't say that for the new ones. So inch cuts. This thing took me a whole 5 minutes to set up. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Nice and simple. Oh, does it still spin over? Uh-oh. Oh, that didn't sound good. That did not sound good at all. Whew. Let me look at this for a second. Pulled the plug out. Doesn't show any signs of moisture in there, but it is going to be dry, so I'll shoot some PB Blast in there, help lubricate things before even attempt to fire it. Alright, it seems to have helped things a little bit. It's hard to do with one hand. Alright, before I get any further, engine oil. It's got a little bit in there to start with, just to keep things lubricated. We'll get the owner's manual out and figure out how much we need to put in. Got a few more pieces I gotta throw on there. That's what holds the handle on the bottom. Oh, and the rope, I think. Yeah, we'll throw those on right now. Oh, and here we go. Like I was saying, there's a way to tell how old something is. Look at the owner's manual if you have it. Right down the corner there, see that 490? This was printed in April of 1990, so it's good. Gives you a good rough idea of how old this is. This is going to be a 1990 lawnmower, so it is 35 years old. Insane. All right, I'll only throw these few pieces on. Oh, that's just for the rope, I think. Yeah, let me throw those on and get some oil in it, I guess. All right, that's a little better. That'll work out. See, that's for righties or lefties, right in the middle there. Still got this. Come on, you do it. Still got this cable guide. Imagine that goes this guy over here. That seemed like a good place to put it. That'll work. Well, according to the owner's manual, he put nearly this whole bottle in there. I mean, 35-year-old oil, still sealed. This should be fine, right? Sits for millions of years underground. It's fine. Oh yeah, sometimes they have dates on these too, but you have to decipher that. I did accidentally spill just a tiny bit, but see where we're at now. Look at that, right at the full mark. You can see that, right at the full. Perfect. All right, well, I'm gonna spin the motor over a couple times, see if it spins any smoother. Be right back with you. Well, I'm pretty satisfied with how it's spinning over now. I feel safe putting fuel in it. And speaking of fuel, as I was saying about gas cans not being so great anymore, this is what we have to deal with here in the US, are these ventless gas cans. They're terrible. They're absolutely terrible. They're so hard to dispense fuel out of, and it's just, they're horrible. I, luckily though, have somebody staring at me, slowing down their truck. I don't know what that was all about. See, I luckily buy storage lockers, so I come across a lot of vintage gas cans. So I actually have a stockpile of the old style with the, with the vent on them and the normal spout. See, our neighbors to the north in Canada are lucky, and they still get the old style ones. But I don't know, grab a funnel or something, throw some fuel in this thing. This is all I had in the back of my truck this morning, so here's what it is. Let's see, full fill engine crankcase with the oil, check. See engine owner's manual. Alright, pull that off. Get that off, put that aside. I don't want to destroy that. And let's put some fuel in it. Now I didn't fill it up, I just put in enough as needed. I want to fill it with gas and let it sit. Alright, well, see if I can get you guys set up and see if this thing will actually fire, I guess. So what does everyone think? Is it going to fire up? Prime it until air fluid. I think we're good. Let's put that on low. See what she does, huh? If she does fire, she's going to smoke because there is that PB blast in the combustion chamber. That was legitimately the first time I pulled it. One pull. This thing sat for 35 years, never used. Now it's burning off all the paint and everything, but I'm not arguing with that. So will it run? Yeah, pretty sure it'll run. There you have it. Brand new 35-year-old lawnmower. Runs perfect. I think I will keep this one around. It's so simple. There's nothing to it, and I'm willing to bet this thing will last me the rest of my life. As long as I take care of it. This would be perfect for trimming underneath the bushes and getting in spots my zero-turn mower can't get to. So I think this will be perfect. Well, thanks for hanging out. See you guys again soon. As a little bonus, I'll show you some of the other cool stuff I've been pulling. All the boxes from that locker that the mower came out of. Look at this. Awesome stuff. I got a whole box over here. I'm about to go through this whole box. Get some stuff listed on eBay. Impact sockets. All kinds of stuff. A lot of fun going through this. So, thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.